I'm no victim. US Lennox was right about that. But that's the only true thing he said today. So, let me tell you the truth about me. I have worn a mask every day of my life. In high school, it was a smile I faked to get boys to like me. At the law school, I changed my name to sound more New England. At the law firm, I wore heels, makeup, and a wig. And when I got married, I threw myself into becoming a kitten. And all of this I did to create a version of myself that the world will accept. But I'm done. Instead, I stand before you today, mask off, to tell you the God's honest. I have done many a bad thing. I've coerced witnesses. I've got my clients to lie on this stand. I've bullied students to tears. I've manipulated jurors like you. But those are not the crimes I'm being tried for today. It's murder. I am no murderer. What I am is a survival. If it were you, you would do the same. A man that was supposed to protect me, after everything that I dropped to become his wife, he abused me again and again. And yes, I killed him. And so what? I would do it again. He took the life out of me. When I was pregnant, he beat me. What the hell? Yes, I did it and I'll do it again. So yeah, crucify me, go ahead. But one thing is for sure. No other man here can ever do what he did to me. Not again. And I can live with that.